Do you think you need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start a real online business? You don't. I'm going to show you how to get started with just 10 bucks. Seriously, 10 bucks. Hi, I'm Carol. I've been building online income streams for a while now, and I know how overwhelming and expensive it all can feel in the beginning. Most of us just want something simple and affordable and real. The good news is you can actually launch a working online business for around 10 bucks a month. And here's how. Okay, first you need a way to capture people's interest, a simple page where they can leave their email. A simple page like this or like this. Okay, and then they go from that page to this page where it talks about how they can earn with this. You need a way to follow up automatically so people learn about what you're offering without chasing them. So you're not chasing family and friends. Once they enter their email, the messages from the autoresponder come out automatically, and this is all shows you how to either set it up or I can go and set it up for you. Either way. Okay? You need something people can actually buy, a product or a service, an opportunity that solves a real problem. And this is the sales page that goes into explaining how it can solve their problems. And then it shows you how easy it is. Step 1 is the $10 business. Step 2 is your funnel. Step 3, send traffic. Boom! Boom, yeah. And this works. This system works, as you can see. Okay, legit. This is no bells and whistles. Normally setting all this up costs a fortune. Okay, but the system I use rolls it all into one. It's simple, it's automated, and you don't need any tech skills. And the best part is once it's running, it keeps working even while you're sleeping or spending time with your family. Now, don't get it twisted. You do need to drive traffic, okay? And then the system works for you. But you saw all these resources of traffic. This opens up to a page of multiple resources, and this is one of my best $10 buyer traffic resources right here. Okay, if you've been looking a way to finally start without risking a ton of money, it all starts right here with this. I'll leave a link below. It starts with this $10 business right here. I'll leave a link below where you can see exactly how this all works. Okay, remember, it's not about starting big, it's about starting smart. Starting for $10. $10 can be your seed for something much bigger if you put in the work. Check out the link in the description and take a look. And if it feels right, I'll be here to help you every step of the way.